welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Ariana Grande inspired makeup look wedding edition. She got married. If you're getting married, maybe you can wear this look too. Starting off with some moisturizer. First thing you gotta do is moisturize. This will act like a primer as well. This is my favorite foundation, full coverage foundation, Estee Lauder double wear foundation. Say foundation again. This stuff is so long lasting and so full coverage. You will love this foundation. I used it on my own wedding too. My sister did my makeup for my wedding. It was great and it lasted all day. I like using a brush to buffer this out. It gives you the most full coverage you could ask for. But use your beauty blender if you want to. I am using it to blend it in a little bit more around my eyes and nostrils, just anywhere where it will crease. We'll take care of my fluffy brows later. But right now we're using some concealer. This is my newest concealer from NYX. It's the Bear With Me. It's a new line and it's super creamy. I feel like it's infused with like this vitamins or something. I don't know, it's super creamy. I don't know how else to describe it. Super hydrating for your under eyes. You should try it. And with a wet beauty sponge, we're just gonna blend that in again. This is the color Light. Here's my kitty Moon. I don't know if y'all met her yet. She's just watching me and supervising. So to bake, I am using my Laura Mercier translucent powder and with this little cute triangle powder puff. It just fits everywhere perfectly. I can link you guys to the little pack for these powder puffs because they're from Amazon and pretty cheap. But yes, we're just gonna put this under our eyes, anywhere where you will crease or your T-zone area if you're oily, and this will also lock in your foundation. I have this new e.l.f. contour palette. It's a quad. I believe they have multiple shades, multiple quads for different complexion. This is the fair one, the lightest one you can get. If you look at the picture, Ariana Grande has very super high cheekbones, so I wanted to make sure I accentuated that because, you know, your girl has a pretty round face right now, so it's gonna look a little crazy, but you want to go ahead and add that on, and it's a cool shade, but it does look a little warm on camera. I think it's my ring light, I don't know, but it looked good in the end. Trust the process. Keep blending up to your forehead, your cheekbone. I will put it above your cheekbone to create that extra lifted look. And I put it on my jawbone and chin, you know, just slim down my face as much as you can, please. Slim me down. I go with this little brush, but then I do go on with a bigger, fluffier brush. It's not fluffier, it's just a denser brush, just to diffuse it a little more, make it a little softer. I also do like to go over my nose a little bit, just because when you have such harsh contour and then the center of your face kind of lays flat, so I like to bring in some dimension to the bridge of my nose, and I bring it up to my brows, just right under my eyebrow to connect it. It looks a little more natural this way, and it gives you a cute, you know, just an all-rounded cute little moment. The eye look that we're going for is mostly a crease, like a cut crease look, so it already helps. So because I'm letting my eyebrows grow, it's just a fluffy look, okay? I do go under my brows with some white shadow. It does have a slight shimmer, just to make them stand out a little bit. You could use foundation or concealer to cut your brows to make it a little bit more nicer, but since I have fluffy brows, it doesn't matter. This is my Essence palette from Ulta. I believe it's at Ulta. I'm not sure at this point where they sell it, but I am using the brown shade on there just to start my crease look. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush from Morphe. And I'm picking up pigment little by little. Again, just keep it at the crease. We're not going to touch our eyelid at all because that's going to stay plain white. But make sure you're winging out the shadow down to your temples or out to your temples. Don't drag it down, kind of like drag it up. We're going for that lifted look. Now with a tempered eyeshadow brush, it's just a little skinnier and precise. And we're gonna go into whatever contour shade you have. Maybe the one you used on your face, you could use that too. And then just deepen the look. And with a flat brush, we're gonna pick up a white shade or just like a skin tone. The color is skin tone, just to keep it in the center. Make sure the crease looks a little bit nicer. But yes, this is just gonna be a flat. This is all matte shadows. We're not really adding anything to this look other than the brow bone. So yeah, take your time with this. Just keep deepening the look and cut that crease. Does anybody know anything about Ariana's husband? Like, do we know him at all? I don't even know his name. Bring it down to your under eyes as well. Keep it all together. Now, this is my favorite eyeliner, liquid liner actually, from e.l.f. I don't know, I like the brush tip better. I know some people cannot do brush tip. Well, I cannot do felt tip. So yeah. But yeah, she has the best liner. You want to keep it skinny and winged up. Here I'm baking again. More powder to the face. My face is super oily no matter what, so I like to pile it up. This e.l.f. brush, it's actually a peachy corally look. It just looks super bright on camera. But yeah, I'm adding that to the outer apples of my cheek, kind of like where you would contour, because we're trying to keep that lifted look. We don't want to bring anything down. This is some clear brow gel from Essence. Doesn't have any hold, it's just I love NYX lip liners. They're so inexpensive. They have so many colors. This one's in Sandstorm and it's one of my favorites. I believe she only has a lip liner and maybe some lip balm or something. There's not a lot to the lip. I did use a brown gel liner from ColourPop. This cute little trio is from the Sephora collection. It was so cute when I saw it on, like, so pigmented too, so I bought it. And I'm using the two highlights on there, not the blush. But yeah, look how cute. That's really nice. I think it was 17 bucks. Make sure you bring it to your nose. And choose any cute falsies, any favorite falsies you might have. Go ahead and put that on. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment, like my video, and maybe subscribe to my channel. See you next time.